Welcome back to Underwater World. I hope you've been enjoying it so far. Please set your table and clear your space and get ready for some more collage action. Today we're going to make polyp, jellyfish and sponge. So get out your templates. Alright, so I've got my cutout pieces for my polyp and I've selected some colours as well. I thought these might work well together. So I think perhaps the stem can be gold, and yep, that's going to fit. I'll just pull that bit of tape off so that can be red with the word facing up on the back. There we go, and perhaps the little center can be gold as well. So I'll draw around these and cut them out. Now I'll tell you a little trick that I use if I'm cutting out a shape like this that has lots of inny bits. I start by just cutting around to the tips, to the edges, like that. Like that, and then all I have to do is just go in and around like that. Now I have all of my polyp parts cut out. Let's tidy things up and save all of our scraps, because little scraps like that from in between the polyp could be used to do some more detailing. So I never throw my little scraps out. I put them somewhere safe so I can use them later. And now we have our parts of the polyp. And let's put the center in first. So there we go, that goes in there. Peel that off, get your finger under it, slowly, slowly. Just holding it from one side. And you want to keep it nice and flat. See, it's rolled up a little bit. Try and keep it flat with your finger. And touch it from one side and then push it down. And as you push it down, push your fingers along, because you don't want air bubbles underneath it. There we go. If you put it straight down flat, then often you can get little bubbles in it. So this is the technique I use. All right, now we've got our center piece, the gold piece for the center. Peel that off. There we go. Put that in the center. Again, push from one side. There we go, it looks pretty. It's like a flower, isn't it? We will keep these separate for the moment and save them, keeping them together. And when it comes time to put them on the backdrop, I'll show you how to connect them. Here we have our jellyfish in parts, the head, body and legs. Because jellyfish are a little bit transparent, I thought I would use some of the transparent sticker material for the body. So I will lay out, there's the body there and the legs. And as I start to draw around the legs, I think what I will do is remember to nestle them. I will write down the number of the leg on the sticker. It's going to make it easier when we put it back together again. So number 1. So here are our parts. I've got a burgundy and some yellow for the head. Now, what we can do is peel the smaller sticker off, and remember, down at one end and gently push it along. There we go. So that will go like that eventually, and then we'll have that over the top. However, we will leave these all separately for the moment, because in just a minute we can start to attach them to our backdrop. I've cut out my sponge fingers. They're like little fingers, aren't they? And the little spots. I'm going to choose a few different colours, a few different shades of red for my sponges. So I'll turn them over and lay them out. And the little dots, I'm going to make black. So I'll find some black sticker, something dark, a bit contrasting. And I've cut out little circles because they're kind of tube-like. I don't know if you've ever seen a picture of one or seen one when you've been snorkeling. But yeah, they're actually like a little tube, spongy tubes, and so I thought a dark centre would be good because that's kind of like the shadow that the hole in the tube makes. So there we go. I'm going to peel the spots and remember to put them from one side and then push. Little sponge fingers. By now, you should have created a wonderful range of undersea creatures and features. I'm going to put up some reference images for you now. You should have quite a lot of sticker left still, so why don't you come up with some of your own designs? Thanks for coming along today. Now be sure to come and join me for our next session, because we're going to get all of our beautiful collage elements and put them on our background. I'll see you then. Bye.